Hi, hello everyone. Let's check the unboxing videos of 2540. Pixma MG 2540, the fine cartridge system with minimum 2 picoliter ink droplets and up to 4800 dpi print resolution delivers great level of details. So with the speeds of 8 image per minute in mono, 4 image per minute color, there is almost no waiting for your documents to print. So this is a engine. So when we open the outer cotton, you get your printhead and accessories, and also the machine is well packed in a nice thermocol. So take off your packing material. So the device have been ready for the printhead installation. So these are the carriage assembly where the fine cartridge goes in. So this is one of the important step to install properly the fine cartridges inside. So when you look at the machine outer layer, the control panel is well designed and it's quite compact. In terms of usability, it has a color and mono button. There is a power connector, which is quite a small adapter. Also, it is compatible with the USB. So when you install the fine cartridge, you will have self-explanatory documents. So once you have two fine cartridges, which is 446 and 445, install it. Now we have installed fine cartridges and close the door and turn on the power. So I hope you like this clip. Thanks for watching.